You're probably reading this on a device connected to Wi-Fi, and you've likely made a Wi-Fi call before, but have you ever wondered how it actually works? Your phone is connected to the internet, and somehow, it's able to make a call to another person's phone, just like a regular phone call. You might think it's just like a regular call, but sent over the internet instead of through cell towers. Most people think Wi-Fi calling is just a matter of their phone sending their voice over the internet, like an email or a message, and the other person's phone receiving it and playing it back. It seems simple, like a file transfer, but with voice. You might imagine that your phone is just converting your voice into a digital file, sending it to the other person's phone, and then their phone is converting it back into sound. But that's not exactly how it works. You're watching Trend Flow, where we explain the tech that runs your life. When you make a Wi-Fi call, your phone is actually using a technology called Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP. Think of it like a special kind of messenger that helps your phone talk to the other person's phone over the internet. Imagine if you were trying to have a conversation with someone in another room, but you had to send a messenger to deliver your message, and then they would send a messenger back with their response. That's kind of like what's happening with Wi-Fi calling, but instead of messengers, it's using the internet to send your voice back and forth. But here is what most people do not realize. Wi-Fi calling is not just about sending your voice over the internet. It's also about finding the best way to get your call to the other person. Your phone is constantly checking the strength of your Wi-Fi signal, and if it's not strong enough, it might switch to a different network, like your cell phone network, to make sure your call doesn't get dropped. Did you know that some phones can even use multiple networks at the same time to make sure your call is always connected? You are doing this right now without realizing it. Every time you make a Wi-Fi call, your phone is working behind the scenes to make sure your call is clear and uninterrupted. So what does this mean for you, now that you know how Wi-Fi calling works? For one thing, you can appreciate the complexity of the technology that's making your calls possible. You might also want to check your Wi-Fi signal strength before making a call to make sure you're getting the best connection. And if you're having trouble with dropped calls, you might want to try switching to a different network or moving to a different location to get a stronger signal. As you're reading this, you're probably surrounded by devices that are connected to the internet, and they're all using Wi-Fi to communicate with each other. Did you know that Wi-Fi is not just for internet browsing? It's also used for things like Wi-Fi sensing, which can detect the presence of people and objects in a room. You might be interested to learn more about how Wi-Fi sensing works and how it's being used in things like smart homes and security systems. Subscribe to Trend Flow for more tech explained simply.